Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is C'Aira, and if you're a new subscriber here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So without further ado, Clean with Z and More, who's right here, decided to want to run her mouth and challenge people to do a 30-minute cleanup in the kitchen. In her version, she called it the Dirty 30. Well, I'm gonna call it the 30 countdown to cleaning your kitchen. Go clean that kitchen, right? So let me just take y'all into my kitchen while Z wants to sit here and challenge somebody. Challenge is accepted. Y'all, I got 30 minutes to clean my kitchen, make it look like something, and I know that I can do it. So Z, sit back and watch. If you're watching this since you wanted to challenge me, and since you decided to challenge me, I'm deciding to challenge you that's watching. You. And you. And you do it. Go clean your kitchen for 30 minutes. Put the timer on, set some music, and clean the hell out of that kitchen. All right, guys, so I'm setting my kitchen timer for 30 minutes, like Z challenged me to, and I'm about to begin. All right, guys, so I'm going to be honest with you. This video is just going to be strictly cleaning. I'm not going to do any talking.
Let's go. I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You wanna really 'cause I am gold. I'm golden.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
The remaining dishes right here were used from dinner, and these have more grease and oil on them because this was from dinner yesterday, making chicken tenderloins and then making homemade french fries. So those are going to need to have a couple extra minutes of TLC.
High, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side.
but sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Y'all, all this kitchen cleaning motivation definitely got me working up a storm, so I'm out of my coat finally. My house is not really cold. It just takes a while for the heat to kick in, especially like with the weather here in Virginia. Lately, one minute it's like 20-something degrees in the morning. Next minute it's like 56, and we're in December. So yeah, definitely came out the coat now, and my heat is on and I can feel it. And I want to say that the challenge has been accepted, Z. I accomplished it. I did it. So now I'm challenging you if you're still here watching. So I hope that you guys like this video. And if you did, be sure to smack that thumbs up. And be sure to comment down below what you think, what you thought, and if you're going to try it. Peace. Be sure to join me for Vlogmas tomorrow.